Hello and welcome back to the channel. Paul here from Who Knows Where. I'm in Greece. I'm in Athens and I booked one night stay in this hotel behind me. It's the Hotel Acropolis View. So let's get checked in. Let's see what this hotel has to offer. Hello. Reservation. So room 101. Don't have to go very far. Directly outside the lift. Let's just check this now. Right, so it's not a bad size room. It's not big, but it's not small. Nice big double bed. Check the bed out in a second. Tea and coffee for one. Don't forget this is single occupancy again. Picture of a tree. Nice telly. Don't know what that is. What's that? Don't know what that is. Haven't got a clue. Anyone can tell me what that is? I'll be made up to know. There's a little mini fridge down there. I'm only here for a few hours again. I've got to move on. Let's have a look at the bathroom. It's the light switch. That's the light switch. It's a bit low. No, that's this light switch. That's that light switch. Why are the light switches down there? Why are they so low? So, sink, toilet, and a shower, which I will be using very, very shortly. Oh, and some nice smellies. Green tonic. It's a nice clean bathroom. Mirror. Right, I'm going to check the bed. Let's check the bed. That looks clean. And that looks clean as well. And a little bit of the room is on an angle. This is a corner room. Hanging space, extra pillow, and a safe. What's in this cupboard down here? Just shelving. And a safe. I don't think there's much of a view. It looks very dark out there. I think I can see a tree. Oh. Oh, I'm below ground. I'm on the first floor, but still below ground. Yes, there's a little courtyard which you can't get out to with a load of bushes in. I'll show you that in the morning if it's daylight when I leave. So that's a little tour of the room. Not a lot to show. It is a small room. The view's not fantastic, but it's dark and it'll probably still be dark when I leave in the morning. As long as the bed is nice, it looks clean, that'll do me. I'm going to have a little walk around the hotel, see what the hotel has to offer. It's only a very small hotel, but there's one thing I'm looking for, and that's the main view. And I've got to go down and pay this tourist tax because she's just told me I owe €1.50 as a tourist tax. So let's make our way back downstairs. Let's see what the hotel has to offer. This hotel is called the Acropolis View Hotel for a reason, and I think this is the way out. And this is the reason why. Wow. Just look at that view. I don't know what to say. It's not a cheap hotel and it's not a dear hotel. I will tell you the price in the morning. There's scaffold on it at the moment. That is beautiful. Unless you're actually standing here, I don't think you appreciate how beautiful that building looks. That building. It's hard to explain. Unless you're actually standing here, you don't realise how beautiful that looks at night. A temple dedicated to the goddess Athena. Good morning. The alarm's just gone off. It's 6 a.m. Oh, I'm feeling tired now. Gonna have to get up, get a quick shower. Gotta be back at the airport no later than 8:15, and I'm just thinking I haven't got a clue what peak traffic's gonna be like, because I'm probably gonna be running into peak traffic. Gonna have to get an Uber back. There's no other way that I can get back to the airport at this time of the morning. If you remember, when I arrived at Athens airport, I decided to get the bus instead of an Uber. The Uber would have cost €43 to the hotel. But I decided to get the bus. It was only €5.50 into Syntagma Square, if I remember right. The plan was to get an Uber straight outside the airport. Just had a quick look at the price. It's about 45 minutes journey and it works out about €43. But there's an information point just outside the airport, and I've just asked the guy there, who spoke very good English, how long it takes on the bus. And he said about an hour, which isn't much longer, and it's £5.50. He's told me to get the X95 and it's due in about 10-15 minutes time, and he said it drops close to my hotel. How close? I don't know. So £5.50 for the ticket or €43 in a taxi. Let's just see if this works out. This is as far as the bus goes. It's called Syntagma. I think I've got that pronounced right. That was like 3/4 of the way from Athens to the hotel. But when I got off at Syntagma Square, the only other way I could get was the Uber then, the final Uber, which only worked out at €4. So the whole journey from Athens airport to the hotel was €9.50, which was a lot cheaper than €43. So anyhow, I'm gonna have to get up, get a quick shower. I haven't got long before I'm back in another Uber back to the airport. See you shortly. Arriving late last night in the dark and leaving in the dark. It's just breaking daylight now, means I haven't been able to see much around the hotel, but it's a beautiful view last night from the roof terrace of the Parthenon. That is absolutely gorgeous at night time, lit up. So I'm going to go up now and see if the staff or even if the breakfast is ready. Apparently it's served up on the roof terrace from 7 till 10. So I'm gonna go up now and just see if they'll allow me. I'm not 100% certain if I'm gonna get breakfast. If not, then I'll see you in a minute anyhow. I'll let you know what my thought is on this room here at the Acropolis View Hotel. The staff here at the hotel are really nice. I've just been up for the breakfast. I was 10 minutes early and they were fine. The staff said I could go in. So I've just had my breakfast. I was lucky to get that. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it. You can see from the footage that I'm showing you now that the layout of the breakfast was lovely. I had some scrambled egg, sausage and bacon with toast, some grapes, fruit juice and orange juice. So the price for this hotel, single occupancy for this room was £82.80. A bit on the dearer side for some of the hotels I've stayed at. £82.80. On top of that, I had to pay a tourist tax of £1.50 per night. So in total, that would be £84.30 for this room. Hotel itself, lovely. Small, very small hotel, situated up a little bit of a hill. That view of the Parthenon is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, by day and by night. It's a shame there's scaffold on it at the moment, but that seems to happen wherever I go around the world. There always seems to be scaffolds up on famous monuments. But I suppose they have to maintain these. So I'm going to have to leave now because I'm going to have to go back off to the airport. I've got another plane to catch, so I'm going to have to order my taxi. Anyhow, if you've enjoyed this video, first of all, would you stay at this hotel? That's the question. Would you like to stay at this hotel? The staff, the service is brilliant. I couldn't ask for any more. Really nice reception staff, and the layout for breakfast was gorgeous. So would you stay here? That's the question. I'd come back and stay here again if I came back to Athens. So I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video. I know it was only a short one, but there's not really a lot to show, especially when you arrive at night time and you leave in the dark as well. So from me, Paul, at Who Knows Where, give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Who knows where? Bye for now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Lovely. Wish I could stay longer. Okay. Thanks very much. Thank you.